Explaining the usage of Android Ground Interactive Device. It consists of an all-in-one device, a suspension bracket, and 2 remote controllers. This is the settings remote controller for device operation. This is the power remote controller for device on-off. First, find a suitable location and proceed with the installation. The installation position is directly above the center of the entire projection screen. Once the installation is complete, power on the device. After powering on, the projector will display a red indicator light. Then press the red button on the power remote controller. Upon pressing it, the projector will display a green indicator light. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes for the projector to start up normally. After the device is started, you can proceed with the parameter settings. Find the device control remote controller and press the home menu key button with the small house icon. Then press the downward arrow key to find the green monster icon. This is the 4-point correction pattern. Press OK. We need to pull back the projected image outside the projection area. Adjust according to the range of the projected image. After adjustment, click OK. Then adjust the second corner. The next 2 corners are adjusted using the same method. After adjusting, click the back key button with a small arrow icon. This way, the projected image will be corrected within the projection area. After the correction, select the Capture Client purple folder icon. Inside, select the camera settings. Then press the number P1. Wait for the camera settings to turn blue, then press the OK key to enter the calibration settings interface. In the calibration settings interface, press the number P1. A crosshair box will appear in the upper left corner of the screen. At this point, you need to step on the red calibration point on the screen with your foot or an object. Then use the up and down keys on the keyboard to drag the red crosshair box to overlap with your foot. The same operation applies to the second point. Step on the red calibration point in the upper right corner of the screen, then press the number key 2. Then adjust the position of the red crosshair using the directional keys. The same applies to the third point by pressing the number key 3. Step on the red calibration point in the lower right corner, then drag the red crosshair box. The same procedure applies to the fourth point. After calibration, adjust the sensitivity. Press the number key 5. Then adjust it using the left and right keys. For ground interaction, a sensitivity of around 90 is recommended. You can adjust the sensitivity according to the actual situation on site. After setting everything, press the number key 0. Click OK to save the data. A window will pop up indicating the successful save. Then press the back key. The order of games in the list can be swapped using TV1 and TV2. You can also set the time for each game. Use the volume up and down keys to set individual time for each game. The middle number represents the duration of game looping. The number 2 means each game will play for 2 minutes. If you don't need this effect, you can remove it as well. Select the effect to delete and press the X key. Then select OK to complete the deletion. To restore default settings in the list, press the number key 4. After clicking OK, it will restore to the default state. If you want to loop play a specific effect, first select the video to loop play, then press the number key 3. The projector will loop play that effect. The projector will play this effect in a loop. It supports multiplayer interaction. If you want to loop play the entire list, simply press the number 3 button, then press OK. It will loop play the entire list. This is the overall usage method of the ground interactive device. If you need to turn off the device, find the power remote controller. Point it at the projection device and press the red button twice to properly turn off the projector. After shutting down, if you need to turn on the device again, wait for the device to cool down. The cooling time is 2 minutes.